Hey everyone! Whether you're a beginner or a pro, choosing the right video editing software can make all the difference in your creative journey. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 best PC video editing software options for 2024. Let's get started. First on the list is Adobe Premiere Pro. This industry-standard software is packed with advanced features like multicam editing, motion graphics, and AI-powered tools for seamless edits. It's perfect for professionals, but has a learning curve. Great for high-end projects, but it's subscription-based. Next, Final Cut Pro. This is a favorite for Mac users, but Windows users might want to explore its equivalent, Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Known for buttery, smooth editing experience. Next up is DaVinci Resolve. Known for its powerful color correction tools, this software is a favorite for filmmakers and video professionals. Plus, the free version offers a lot, but if you need advanced features like HDR grading and 3D tools, the studio version has you covered. On the simpler side, we have Filmora. It's user-friendly, making it perfect for beginners and intermediate editors. With drag-and-drop functionality, preloaded effects, and an intuitive interface, you can create stunning videos without spending hours learning the software. 4. Cyberlink PowerDirector. If speed and efficiency are your priorities, Cyberlink PowerDirector is an excellent choice. With AI tools for motion tracking, automatic noise reduction, and a library of effects, it's a solid pick for both casual and professional editors. At number 5, Canva. Canva isn't just for graphic design, it's also great for video editing. With pre-designed templates, simple drag-and-drop tools, and even stock videos and music, it's ideal for quick, creative projects like social media content. 6. Corel Video Studio. It is a great pick for beginners looking for a straightforward editing experience. With features like motion tracking, 4K support, and templates, it's a fantastic balance of ease and capability. Finally, we have Vegas Pro. Loved for its intuitive timeline and advanced features like audio editing, 360 degrees video support, and scripting, Vegas Pro is a solid choice for seasoned editors who want flexibility and control. And there you have it. 7 amazing video editing software options for PC in 2024. Which one are you excited to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and creative tips. Happy editing!